So today I jumped around. I got this door finally somewhat decent. I foamed it. I'll sand that foam tomorrow. And I got wood filler. We'll fill that in. And all the spots here where the mesh tape is all screwed up, I went ahead and put tape over that, real tape. So we got all those things done. Filled in the last of this here. Got the bathroom painted. I put 2 coats on. So tomorrow we'll go ahead and put the fixtures up. My bulb burnt out of my good light, so I'm using these things. I gotta get another bulb for my 500 watt halogen. But anyway, she's all painted up. We'll put the door on this, the shower head. We'll get the plates on the receptacles, hook up the lights, put this up on here, put the toilet back together, clean up everything. And then, like I said, we'll get this floor done. And I got the door, and we'll get that door on, the bathroom will be finished. And then once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and I'll texture this. Got a little bit of sanding here to do. Got to sand it and fill in those joints that we never filled in properly. So, and then we'll texture all this, and then we'll wait for some sealer, because I'm probably going to use 2 or 3 gallons of sealer. And we'll get this painted up and clean out all this stuff, and then we're ready for the kitchen sink, refrigerator, stove. And then, like I said, I've got to start framing this out in here. Finish this up here, frame this out. I'm probably going to put a light switch right here. Put a light switch and put a light up in here. So before you enter the stairway, I'll put another light up here. And